Inhale back up. Ang gagana doon, yung elbows, yung core, long spine. Yung legs, wala siya masyado. You can micro the knees. Basta ang focus natin yung to push away, to go back up. Okay? So try. Gawin mo siya. First, tap your elbows. Kasi sakto yan underneath your shoulders. Para hindi siya masyadong wide, mas mahirap yun. So, tap your elbows and then interlace your fingers. Yan. Tapos from here, tuck your toes. Push mo tayo sa elbows, round ng upper back. Tuck your toes and then butt high. So, this is your dolphin. Huwag nyo lang po inikit yung head sa floor. So, you take a big inhale here. And then on your exhale, bring your nose to your thumbs. Yan. And then inhale back up. Slow and controlled. Exhale, nose to your thumbs. Inhale back up. Exhale, nose to your thumbs. Inhale back up. Exhale, nose to your thumbs. Inhale back up. Last snap. Exhale, nose to your thumbs. Inhale back up. And then release on your child's pose. Knees down with toes to touch. Tapos breathe. Dun po sa child's pose, take advantage tayo. Allow your arms, your shoulders to relax. Make sure na you're relaxing. Kung medyo hindi ko makapag-relax dito sa position na to, you can bring your knees together. And then you bring your head down. Yung arms nasa side with your palms facing up. Hanap tayo ng child's pose that will help you relax. So rise up back to your tabletop. Parang nakasabi ko lang yung child's pose. So, papakita ko muna, pero you don't have to do this one if it feels a lot for you. Okay? Siguro po you can work on your, I want to say work on your core, core throw, pero parang siguro. So, yung main versions, dalawa siya na headstand. So, bound and then tripod. Pero ngayon din natin splits. So, kanina pa natin sinestretch yung back leg. I'll assist you. Kasi syempre, overwhelming yun yung naka-splits ka. Pero kasi, yung ginagawa ko before is knee to chest. Nag-hold halfway. Ang problema doon, pagod na kayo pagdating sa taas. Kasi yung pag-hold pa ng halfway, knee to chest, nakakapagod na. At least yung splits, nakalift na yung leg mo. Just follow by the other. Assist mo kayo. Pero I'll show you paano siya. Huwag lang tayo mag-kick. Kasi it's like kicking yourself to fall, di ba? So, you have to use your core. Makikita nyo naman yun. May resistance din. Pati yung pag-release, graceful, you have to bring awareness or else parang nag-bounce ka dun sa floor, which might be pain. So, ingatan nyo din yung sarili nyo. Sa head nyo. Stop. Lift. In straight. Like, up. Ayaw. Pero yun, isang leg, I'll do it again. Yung isa, hawak ko na sa taas. Yung isa, susundan nyo na lang. Pero huwag nyo sisiparin. Okay? Kung paano, pwede rin, I'm not sure kung pwede pa lang. Pwede. Oo. Pero actually, pwede mo yung straight kasi assisted ko naman. Like, pakita niya. Hello, siya. Pakita niya. Wala siya nagawa. Nakakagulong. Round yung upper back, patigin sa elbow. Tapos maglapit yung pinakamalapit na kaya. Extend yung isa. Tapos, ito na yung isa. Sige, extend mo na up. Up. 4. 8. Extend na siya na ako. Hindi ko na naiiwan, promise. Ano lang ako, nakaalalay. Okay? No chicks. together. 4, 3, tapos release. Try ito muna to. Putas. Natatakot ko pa noon. Try. After first time galing. After basahin niya kung kailan mo say ko yung ego, parang wait, mahal mo kami sa kamay. So, yeah, this is first time. Ako lang isa sa mga interface nila.
siya, in siya.